Let's head over and meet Audrey, a sophomore majoring in early childhood education. Her journey began with a little uncertainty until she found SWOSU's supportive community for education majors. With professors who bring real-world experience, Audrey's confident in her choice. Tell us more about discovering your passion for teaching, Audrey. Take it away.
Thanks so much, Alex. Hey everyone. I had no clue what I wanted to major in or what college I wanted to go to until 2 months before I graduated high school. Southwestern Oklahoma State University was close enough to home for me that I knew I could become my own person while still staying connected with my family. SWOSU was founded in 1901 as a teacher's college, so the university has a long history of caring about its education majors. My education professors have taught in elementary and middle schools, making me feel confident in my education knowing that I'm learning from real-world experience. Students can pursue undergraduate and graduate degrees in various areas of education, like early childhood education, elementary, secondary, special education, and more. The Education Department hosts a career fair every year to help students meet schools and do mock interviews, preparing us for getting jobs after college. When I moved to SWOSU, I was still nervous about my decision, but the community, organizations, and professors quickly made me feel like I was where I belonged. While SWOSU has an awesome community all on its own, by joining organizations like Greek Life and Student Government, it became even more amazing. College is what you make of it, and the friendships I built through these organizations have made my experience unforgettable. While leaving college will be nerve-wracking, I know that SWOSU has set me up for success. SWOSU has pushed me to achieve my goals to become the future educator and leader that I aspire to be. That's my story. As always, go Dogs. Back to you, Alex.
Audrey, your decision to choose SWOSU clearly paid off. It sounds like SWOSU's focus on hands-on learning has prepared you for a career after graduating. Your involvement in Greek life and student government is providing you with valuable skills that will definitely benefit your future in early childhood education. Thanks again, Audrey.